Good morning student. Today we are going to see about 6th chemistry revision topic, date 13/3/2021. We are going to see about the matter. What is the matter? You know about the matter. Matter is nothing but which is occupying space and having some weight. So that will be classifying into two division. One is pure substances, another one is mixture. Pure substances further classified into two way. One is element, another one is compound. Mixers also classified into two. One homogeneous mixture, another one is heterogeneous mixture. So element, for example, for element hydrogen, helium, lithium, magnesium, carbon. Compound we are getting example for H2O, copper sulfate, ammonium chloride. Heterogeneous mixture, water plus sugar. Homogeneous mixture, water plus sugar, and heterogeneous mixture, water plus sand. So these are example for homogeneous, heterogeneous mixture. So element further classified into something of helium, neon, krypton, xenon. So some of the classification SPDF. So this is the classification of element from the periodic table. So further studies we go there. Now we know about the element. So hydrogen, helium, lithium, magnesium, carbon for the example of element. So in this topic we are getting the knowledge about the matter. So matter is having something weight and occupying space, which will be divided into two way. One is pure substances, another one is mixture. Then pure substances further classified into element and compound. So element, which is considered as a pure substances. So in its nature it will be obtained from a pure way. So that will be a pure state in a native position, and then compound which will be going on getting a some other element combined to giving a compound, so which is a pure state. So homogeneous mixture means two element or two matters are combined to giving a one way, so that will be a invisible. So that is called water plus sugar, so that will be going on one phase. Mixture that will be identified in a physical nature, water, sand. So we can able to separate water and sand. So this is a heterogeneous mixture. So in this way we know about what is a matter. This topic clearly we understand. Thank you very much.